Welcome back, friends. Say welcome back.
Welcome back. What's your name?
My name is Sami. What's your name?
My name is Hero Ori.
Hero, what are we doing today?
We can put this in the fridge and we can pull out the juice and we can do like that.
We just came from grocery shopping. Hero, let's put our stuff in the fridge.
Yes, I need to start the fridge.
Let's start it. Good job.
I did it.
Can you put the stuff inside?
Yes.
Can you put 2 lemons?
Yes, I can put it right here. Right.
Okay, and here, what's this?
A kiwi.
Yeah, it's a kiwi. Can you put it inside the fridge?
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Okay, let's take our ketchup.
I love it. And we can put it on right here.
Good job. And our orange. What's that?
That's it.
Oh no, it's been open for too long. Can you put it inside now?
Yes. No, that's not alarm.
That's not
Alarm.
That's not the alarm.
A waiter timer.
That's the waiter time. It's been open for too long. Yeah, can you put the orange inside?
That's the clock that I started. Now that's this clock.
Uh-oh. Oh, hurry up. Okay, here, put the milk in. Put the milk.
Look, it's too cold.
Can you put the ice cubes in the ice cube machine? Can you put it right there?
Yes.
Here.
Oh, so far away.
Yeah, I'll put them for you. Can I have it?
More.
Thank you. Let's put it inside. Can I have the last one?
More.
Thank you. Okay. And do you want to put this in the freezer so it can make more ice? Good job. And where does the ice cream go?
In the freezer.
Good job. Okay. Here, can you show your friends how to take the ice out?
Yes.
Good job. Can you press the red button? Hold it down. Oh my god!
Uh-oh.
Our ice fell. Uh-oh. I got it.
Hooray!
Here, did you like the fridge?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about it?
And all the screws and the back. You want watch more my channel? You want to search my name? Of course, Hero. I'm going to play again.
You're gonna play again?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Love you.